All right, let's take a look at these. They should have been fairly easy for you because we've been doing these for a couple days now. So this first one, we had to shade in 3/10. So there's 1, 2, and 3. And then I had to shade in 6/10 over here. Well, that's pretty easy. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then all I had to do was add them together. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 3, 7, 8, and 9. So I know my answer there is 9/10. Pretty simple. You guys have got these down. They're becoming easier and easier for you. The next one we had 8/10. Well, I know that's all but 2, so I'm going to shade there. 8/10. And then I had 4/10. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, when I transfer them over, that's where I can tell how many I have. Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I like to switch my color. 1, 2, oh wow, 3, and 4. So now I know I have 12/10, but I also know that 10 goes into 12 one time, so that's 10. So 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 and 2/10 or 12/10. All right, let's look at the bigger one. Now this one was scary. I heard you whining that this one was going to be so hard. Let's see if we can do it. Well, 43. Well, I know each row is 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, plus 29. There's 10, 20. Oh, and then 9 I know is all but 1. Just like that. So now when I transfer them over, what I like to do, just to make sure I don't mix them up, is do my 10s first. So I can see I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 of these are going to be all the way filled in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know my answer is going to be at least 60 something. There we go. There's 60. Then I'm going to add my individuals. Well, I can see this one has a 3. So there's 1, 2, 3. And then this one has 9. Ooh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right, so I can see now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then I've got 2 left over. So 72 1/100. All right, fairly simple. I can definitely do those. Okay, let's take a look at the last one there. Oh, this one's a little bit different too. Look at that, but we can do it. We know we have 1 hole, so I'm going to color in that whole thing. And then I've got 86. Well, there's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Okay, I'm going to color all that so I know. And then 6 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, there's my 86. Now I've got to color in 77. There's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. And 7 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, when I transfer them over, I like to do different colors. Well, I know I've got 1 hole, so I'm just going to color that whole thing. We're going to pretend that whole thing's colored. There we go. Then I know I had to color 80. So I'm going to do my 10s first. There's 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then I had 6, but I'm also going to do the 70. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now I'm going to go through and do my individuals. Well, I had 6 on this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I had 7 on this one. Oops, switch that color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from this one I can clearly see I colored in 2 holes. And then I had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 3. And each one is broken into 100 pieces. 100. All right, so these were pretty simple for you, but now we're going to get a little bit more technical. So I'm going to go over this one with you, and then you're going to do the rest on your own. So here we have 42 out of 100. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a color. There's 10, 20, 30, 40, 1 and 2. Fairly simple, right? All right, next one I have 3 10s. Oh no. Well, it's going to be 1, 2, 3. But now I've got to figure out, how do I transfer that over? Because we know this one is 42 over 100. Well, a couple of things I can do. I need to get this other one to hundreds. Well, to get 10 to 100, I know that 10 times 10 is 100. And then I also know that 3 times, so what I do to the bottom, number I do to the top, 3 times 10 is 30. So now I can color those in. So I had 40, I'm going to do 10, 20, 30, 40. And then I had 30 in the red. There's 10, 20, 30. But I also had those 2 individuals right there. 1, 2. Okay, so now it's broken into hundreds. I'm going to do 100s. And I can clearly see I've got 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 72. 72 100s. All right, you've got a couple more to do on this, and then we've got another style to try before you go on to your homework. Good luck.